Hello folks, today we're going to do an O-ring replacement on the power steering pump for a 2009 Honda Accord Coupe V6 6-speed, which whines like a cat when it's cold. So the part I got here is from Honda. It's 91345-R70-A11, and I troubleshooted this using Google and the forums, and this was an issue in the previous models where when it was cold the power steering would whine. And as the car got warmer, it would stop. So figure what the hell, it's the cheapest thing we can fix, and then yeah, we're gonna replace it, so stay tuned. Alright, so this is where the actual O-ring goes. It's the O-ring for the low pressure return line, and it's actually just held down by a 10mm bolt down there, covered in oil. So we're just gonna undo that and then just replace the seal. So a ratchet won't fit in here, but one of these little 10mm will. Pittsburgh Harbor Freight, holla. So taking out the bolt and disconnected the pipe, I put a rag down so that the power steering fluid doesn't just go everywhere. Try to put this onto the side, and you can see the little seal inside. I started taking it off with just a small screwdriver. You can use one of those little picks. Be very careful not to scratch the area around. So here's the old seal and the new seal. This one looks kind of flat now. Here's also the part number that I am using today. And I'm just going to slide this over here on top, push that in, and then just reinsert and tighten the 10mm bolt. And just keep spinning, but eventually it will tighten. If your power steering is low, top it off with some genuine Honda power steering fluid. So yeah, by the looks of it, there are no leaks that I can see. And I topped off the power steering fluid, so the whining noise went away. I've been doing it all day just because it's been like about 50 degrees here. But we'll definitely find out tomorrow morning. So it's about 52 degrees and the car is cool, so let's see if it will whine. Nice. Yay! It is now nighttime and about 40 degrees. Let's give it a shot. Nice and quiet. I think. No, I know that this repair was a success. Alright, so give it a shot. It's pretty easy.